Hello and welcome. Brace yourself for 30 engaging questions designed to test your mastery. What device is used to measure a person's body temperature? A scale. A ruler. A thermometer. The correct answer is a thermometer. A quick fact for you, a thermometer measures body temperature to check for a fever or illness. Which device is used by doctors to listen to a person's heartbeat? A microphone. A stethoscope. A telescope. The correct answer is a stethoscope. Here's a nugget of wisdom. A stethoscope allows a doctor to listen to a patient's heart, lungs, and other sounds. What is the name for the device that takes pictures of the inside of your body using X-rays? A camera. An MRI machine. An X-ray machine. The correct answer is an X-ray machine. Did you know? An X-ray machine produces images of bones and internal structures. What is the name for a device that helps people with hearing problems? A megaphone. A hearing aid. A microphone. The correct answer is a hearing aid. Surprising trivia, a hearing aid is a small electronic device that amplifies sound for people with hearing loss. What is the purpose of a wheelchair? To help people stand up. To help people move around. To help people sleep. The correct answer is to help people move around. Surprising trivia, a wheelchair is a chair with wheels used by people who find it difficult or impossible to walk. What device is used to measure a person's blood pressure? A blood pressure cuff. A thermometer. A scale. The correct answer is a blood pressure cuff. A quick fact for you, a blood pressure cuff is a device used by doctors and nurses to measure a person's blood pressure. What is the name for the device that helps a person breathe when they cannot do it on their own? A ventilator. An air conditioner. A fan. The correct answer is a ventilator. Here's a nugget of wisdom. A ventilator is a machine that helps a patient breathe by moving air in and out of their lungs. What is the purpose of a cast on a broken arm? To make the arm look pretty. To help a broken bone heal by keeping it still. To keep the arm warm. The correct answer is to help a broken bone heal by keeping it still. Impress your friends with this fact. A cast is a medical device that immobilizes a fractured bone to allow it to heal properly. What device is used to check a person's blood sugar levels? A blood pressure monitor. A glucose meter. A thermometer. The correct answer is a glucose meter. Here's an interesting fact. A glucose meter is a small device used by people with diabetes to check their blood sugar levels. What is a pacemaker? A device that regulates a person's heartbeat. A device that measures heart rate. A device that helps a person walk. The correct answer is a device that regulates a person's heartbeat. Surprising trivia: a pacemaker is a small device placed in the chest to help regulate a person's heart rhythm. Which of these is used to give a person fluids or medicine directly into their vein? A thermometer. An intravenous IV drip. A bandage. The correct answer is an intravenous IV drip. Here's something cool: an intravenous or IV drip is used to administer fluids and medication directly into the bloodstream. What is the purpose of crutches? To help a person with a sore leg. To help a person stand up. To help a person walk when they have an injured leg. The correct answer is to help a person walk when they have an injured leg. Impress your friends with this fact: crutches are walking aids that help a person move around when they have an injured foot or leg. What device is used in an operating room to show the internal structures of the body in detail? An X-ray machine. An MRI machine. A camera. The correct answer is an MRI machine. Impress your friends with this fact: an MRI machine uses a powerful magnetic field and radio waves to create detailed images of the body's organs and tissues. What is the name for the device used to help a person with a bad eye? A hearing aid. An optical lens. A prosthetic eye. The correct answer is an optical lens. Let's learn something new. An optical lens in glasses or contact lenses is a medical device to correct a person's vision. What is the name for a device that replaces a missing body part? A prosthetic limb. A brace. A cast. The correct answer is a prosthetic limb. Knowledge boost: a prosthetic limb is a device that replaces a missing arm, leg, or hand. What is the purpose of a blood pressure monitor? To check your body temperature. To measure the pressure of blood in your arteries. To measure your pulse. The correct answer is to measure the pressure of blood in your arteries. Knowledge boost: a blood pressure monitor measures the force of your blood against the walls of your arteries. What is the name for the device that monitors a baby's heart rate in the womb? A fetal monitor. A baby thermometer. A baby scale. The correct answer is a fetal monitor. Here's an interesting fact: a fetal monitor is a device used by doctors to monitor a baby's heartbeat during pregnancy. What is a tourniquet used for? To help a person walk. To stop severe bleeding from a limb. To measure blood pressure. The correct answer is, to stop severe bleeding from a limb. A quick fact for you, a tourniquet is a device used to stop the flow of blood from a severe wound. What is the name of the device that helps a person with asthma breathe? A nebulizer. A hearing aid. A ventilator. The correct answer is a nebulizer. Here's a nugget of wisdom. A nebulizer is a machine that turns liquid medicine into a fine mist for a person with asthma to breathe in. What is the main job of an electrocardiogram (ECG) machine? To measure blood pressure. To measure the electrical activity of the heart. To measure body temperature. The correct answer is, to measure the electrical activity of the heart. Knowledge Boost, an ECG machine records the heart's electrical signals to check for heart conditions. What is the name for the device that helps to support and protect an injured body part? A brace. A cast. A bandage. The correct answer is a brace. Did you know? A brace is a supportive device used to protect an injured body part like an ankle or knee. What is the purpose of a syringe? To measure body temperature. To give a person medicine or to draw blood. To listen to a heartbeat. The correct answer is, to give a person medicine or to draw blood. Here's an interesting fact. A syringe is a medical tool used to inject or withdraw fluids. What is the name for the device that helps people with leg pain? A thermometer. Crutches. A wheelchair. The correct answer is crutches. Did you know? Crutches are walking aids that help people move when they have an injury or pain in their leg. What is the purpose of a medical bandage? To hold a broken bone. To cover and protect a wound. To measure blood pressure. The correct answer is, to cover and protect a wound. Here's an interesting fact. A bandage is a material used to cover a wound and help it heal. What is a surgical robot? A robot that cleans up after surgery. A robot that assists surgeons during operations. A robot that talks to patients. The correct answer is, a robot that assists surgeons during operations. Did you know? Surgical robots allow surgeons to perform complex procedures with greater precision. What is the name of the device that helps to give medicine to a patient over a long period? An IV drip. An infusion pump. A syringe. The correct answer is, an infusion pump. Did you know? An infusion pump is a medical device that delivers fluids and medication into a patient's body in a controlled manner. What is the name for a small medical device that can be swallowed to take pictures of the inside of your body? A surgical robot. An endoscopy capsule. A thermometer. The correct answer is an endoscopy capsule. Did you know? An endoscopy capsule is a tiny camera in a pill that takes pictures of the digestive tract. What is a defibrillator used for? To stop a heart attack. To send an electric shock to a person with a heart condition. To measure blood pressure. The correct answer is to send an electric shock to a person with a heart condition. Here's something cool. A defibrillator is a medical device that delivers an electric shock to restore a normal heartbeat. What is the name for the device that helps people with speech problems to talk? A hearing aid. A speech amplifier. A speaking device. The correct answer is a speaking device. Fun fact, a speaking device is a tool that helps people with speech difficulties to communicate more effectively. What is a medical implant? A device that helps with breathing. A medical device that is placed inside the body. A type of medicine. The correct answer is a medical device that is placed inside the body. Did you know? A medical implant is a device placed inside the body for a long time to treat a condition. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll catch you in the next one.